What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a cartoon illustration of Minecraft Steve. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page at the bottom edge of the helmet. We're going to start right in the center with a straight line going across. From either side, let's go straight up towards the top. I'm going to work our way out towards the side of the helmet. Then we'll come down with a straight line about halfway. Now I'm just going to go out towards the side of the helmet. And we'll go straight up towards the top of the head. Let's start with the left side. Go all the way up to right about there. I'm just going to line this up on the right. Now I just want to round out the corners of the helmet. So I'm just going to pull this up and then in towards the center. Go straight across towards the right. And I'm just going to round out that corner. Now let's tuck the eyes in behind that centerpiece. From this point, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going out, line that up on the right. I'm going to come down towards the bottom of the eye. I'm just going to tuck that back in. Now on the outside of the eye, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down the edge of the pupils. And then on the top left side, we're going to draw a small square for highlight. Let's fill the bottom area of the eye in black. Now, underneath the helmet in the center, draw two straight lines coming down towards the bottom of the head. Now again, we just want to round out the jaw, coming around, and we go straight across towards the right. It's going to round out that corner. Let's add in the beard. We're going to draw a straight line going across the middle, go up with two short lines, go straight out towards the side, and I'll pull that straight down. Now we're going to add that detail in the center of the head. From these 2 points, I'm just going to close this off. Go straight up towards the top. Go out towards the side. Now I'm going to create a thick T in the center. Go straight up towards the top. And then flatten off the top. Let's add a small square on the top left side, coming in and up. Let's draw that same size square across the bottom. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start from the bottom of the goatee, angle the body, coming down and then out towards the hips. And we'll flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Let's add some detail inside the body. We're going to step in, follow that angled line coming down, come straight in, come straight down towards the bottom, and we'll close that off. Now I'm going to move to the center, step down, draw a straight line, leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, just going to angle the leg coming down and out toward the left and right side. Let's come straight down across the inside of the feet. And then from the top and bottom, we draw a straight line going all the way across towards the outside of the feet. Let's go to the bottom and do the same thing. And we'll close off the outside. Let's go back to the top corner of the body. We're just going to angle the leg, coming down and then in on top of the feet. Let's trace the feet along the sides and top. So we're going to go up from the bottom, across, and then down. Now on the left side, we're going to draw the arm holding the sword. So let's start from the top of the body. Just going to bend the arm, coming down, and then out towards the hand. Flatten this off. Now I'm just going to tape the arm so it gets narrower as it comes back in towards the side of the body. This line at the bottom of the arm over on the right side, then the arm going out and then down. Flatten off the hand. I'm just going to curve this up and then in toward the top of the body. From the inside of the arm, I'm going to draw a straight angled line going across the sleeve. I'm just going to layer the sword in behind the hand. Let's start from this point. We're going to go up and then back down. Let's draw the side of the hilt. On the left side, we're going to go up, come down the side, come down towards the bottom. Just pull that up in behind the hand. Let's go to the right side. We're going to go up and then down. Let's go to the top of that center point. We go up and out. Draw a short line coming in. Let's do that again. Going up and out, and then back in. I'm just going to add one point across the top with a square. Just pull that back in towards the middle. Now we want to trace these shapes along the outside. From the tip, coming down and out. That's going to work our way along the outside. Just adding those points. Now right here, it's going to come all the way across and down. Just work our way across the inside. And then down towards the arm. Let's go back to the left side. Go down and then up. Let's go to the bottom of the hand. We're going to draw a small diamond shape. And we'll trace that along the outside. Let's go back and fill the inside of that trim. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Minecraft Steve. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.